Okay, welcome back to part 2, shapes and collages. Okay, so now we've made the facial features. We have the eyes, the nose, the snout, and the mouth. So now we're going to get ready to put our collage paper. So here's some of my examples, and put it to our paper or cardboard that we're using as the backing. And this paper is approximately about a 9 by 12. You could use like an 8 by 11. That's fine too. So what I'm going to do is I'm not going to put on the facial features yet. I'm going to start applying my collage paper. Okay, so I started applying the collage paper, and as you notice, I tore mine. You can cut it. So it's going to be these long kind of torn rectangles. And as you notice, I'm repeating my color, and it's almost like a clock. So here's where the hands come from, and I'm going to work out, or a sun with rays going out. So I'm going to start, I guess, working on the top. So now I want to repeat. So I'm going to start looking. That piece is a little too big. I'm going to tear. So again, you could use your scissors. So, I always have a scissors handy when I'm working on collages. I tend to like that torn look. And now I'm going to use my glue stick. So you can apply it on the back of the paper. Sometimes when I'm doing a big area like this, I'm just going to apply it to the paper. Okay. Okay, and I notice I used some of that gold paper, so I want to use that again. So I'm going to apply it. So okay, now my next step is this. I really recommend to turn the paper as you're working. So for example, now I'm going to go here, and I might take some of this paper. I just kind of look at what works, test it out, see what works for you, and then I'm going to start applying. And I overlap it. I'm trying to layer my paper. And this one I'm just going to put here. That'll be easier. And I'm just going to keep working like that and continue on. So I'm going to fill the whole paper. Once I fill the whole paper and I get every part of it all filled, what I'm going to do then is that's when I'm going to start placing the eyes. Okay, so I might place the eyes and then the nose, the snout, and I've glued all this together. You can glue it as you're going and place it first and then glue, but I'm going to glue that as one whole piece. So I like it right about here, and then when you're happy with it, you can glue that down. But again, you want to fill the whole background. Okay, so that's how to put your collage together. And when you're all done and you've filled everything in and you've applied the face, you get that look. Okay, so that is how to put together your dog collage. And again, play around with it. If you want to turn it into a cat, you're welcome to do that. Have fun and be creative. And so again, you can see we use a lot of that element of art, shape. So if you look at the eyes, we've got triangles on the tips, we've got ovals, lots of ovals we've used, circles, half circles, or semicircles. And then again, for all these strips, I've got a lot of kind of a rectangular look to them. And another suggestion is, if you don't like the tips, you can always cut those off, but I kind of think it's fun when they curl up like that. So I hope you enjoyed our lesson on shapes and collaging. So have fun, and always remember, when you're creating your art, you want to relax, and as I said before, have fun and keep creating. So I will see you in the next video.